what have you to offer that is so good that you will convince any of your potential clients without words that they need to pay for this art? If you can answer that, then you will see you have something. But if you cannot answer that, if you don't have something, don't worry, because we're going to help you see exactly what irresistible offer you're going to give to your client. So to measure how desirable your product is, we're going to illustrate this as well, like a scale. So the beginning will be 0 desire, so this is totally not desired by anyone, and in the middle it's a medium desire, it's good but not very important, and on the right hand side we have maximum desire. Okay, so we want to package our product in such a way that it will rank between mid to maximum desire. If it falls anywhere within there, then we're in a good space. You may want to put this down. Your product's level of desire is directly correlated to the frequency of sales you make, or job offers you get, or service requests.